I don't know anything.
Wasn't that a walrus bite? Didn't you get bitten by a walrus?
It's tiger shark.
Tiger shark. Okay.
Let's see.
Gumby Jean just jumped right
Is my
in
hair
there.
in the...
No, you're beautiful. Your hair's she's got great hair. We should just.
You're going to do this?
Yeah.
She
I do
is
this
a
all the time.
skilled suture removing professional.
I would need a magnifying glass.
Well, she's got
I
them on her
can see
head.
a little bit.
She's going to snip those out. So how'd you cut your hand for real? Tell us how you did it. Tell us on the camera how you hurt your hand.
Well, by skinning the wire and got caught on one of the threads of the wire, the knife, I jerked it to go by the wire, and it went by the wire too fast, and my hand was too close. And the tip of the knife blade, was not serrated. It was just a regular sharp knife.
Right.
And it stuck in my hand, and I think I sliced my hand by just the natural movement of being stabbed.
Right.
And it sliced my hand wide open.
Looks like it hurt quite a bit.
I was in the chicken house when I did it. I was trying to warm up some baby chicks.
Well,
and
no, we did those in the garage.
I'm done.
You're supposed to warm them up in the garage and before you move them in there.
3, 4, 5, 6. You had 7.
It looks real good. Check right there. See if that's just a scab.
I think it's just scab.
There should be 7 of them.
It's 7. Yeah, it's just scab.
Just scab. Okay. All right. Now, can you move your thumb all right?
Yeah.
And touch the tip of his thumb. Can you feel down there okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had they told me to put a toilet paper roll in my hand and close my hand like this and not use it.
Yeah.
And I did that. I had to go to a funeral and I thought the toilet paper roll was so bad. I went to the toy shop and I got me a soft mouse, and I held that mouse for 3 days.
So you really were quiet as a church mouse at the funeral.
Yeah, but going to the restaurant.
I thought that might have been funny, but I guess it didn't come out that good.
That's okay.
I tried.
I went to the restaurant.
Yeah.
I went to the restaurant
with the toy mouse
to have dinner, and a young boy was in the next table, and I had my hand in my lap, and I was holding the mouse, and he says, "Look, Mommy, he's got a mouse."
That's cute.
But I tell you what, that helped. I think that helped.
Right.
Just holding it like that all the time.
Right.
It
was designed to keep you from moving your hand too much to pull those stitches out, because they didn't.
Yeah.
They only gave you 7 stitches for looked like about a 3-inch cut, so they didn't want anything to pull open. And you had, it was fine. You had plenty of stitches. The important thing is that the stitches held the skin together long enough for it to heal, and that's all that matters. Is that the skin's approximated and it heals.
How long do I have to do this?
You can take it off whenever you want. She's just making it look good because
I'm on camera.
She's on camera.
Oh,
actually,
well,
she is going to be on camera.
I've used I've used a plastic bag every time I took a shower this week, and also when I was out working one hand, I had a glove over it, so I was pretty careful with it.
So the moral of the story is be careful with knives, and they make special tools for stripping wires. Consider using those, right?
I know.
Yeah.
He's a man. He's not going to listen.
Well, he listens a little bit when he can. He's kind of got a bit of hearing loss, right?
Are we through?
Well, we can be. Did you want to say anything else?
No, I want to say thank you.
Oh,
you're
welcome.
absolutely
welcome. Thanks for letting us video your little procedure here.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.